The 5 Human Superpowers to Master by 2026. We are entering 2026, a year moving so fast it doesn't even stop to breathe. We're living in an era of hyper-evolution where AI is working overtime and your smartphone is already smarter than half of your relatives. In this aggressively changing world, hard work is no longer the skeleton key to success. Even ants work hard. To win today, you don't need more degrees, you need 5 human superpowers that a machine can never replicate. Superpower 1. The art of seeing the ignored. The wealthiest people in the world didn't discover diamonds, they discovered small, annoying problems that everyone else walked past. The insight. Airbnb was born because 2 guys noticed people had empty rooms and hotels were too expensive. Crocs became a billion-dollar brand because someone realized that comfort matters more than ugly looks. The reality check. Opportunities are lying on the ground everywhere, but your eyes are too busy scrolling through a 6-inch screen to see them. AI can analyze data, but it cannot feel the frustration of a human problem. Train yourself to notice what everyone else ignores. Superpower 2. High-impact human communication. This isn't about having a deep vocabulary or fancy English. It's about the rare ability to speak in a way that makes the world stop and listen. The secret. Steve Jobs didn't sell gadgets, he sold the feeling of being part of a revolution. Oprah doesn't just talk, she makes people feel understood. The bridge. Your knowledge is useless if it stays locked inside your head. Communication is the bridge between your brain and the world. If you can't cross that bridge, your best ideas will die with you. Stop trying to impress and start trying to connect. Superpower 3. Radical adaptability. Degrees have an expiration date, but the ability to learn fast is eternal. It's about how quickly you can adjust when life suddenly changes its mood. The legend. Netflix used to mail DVDs. When the world shifted to the internet, they didn't complain, they evolved. The lesson. If you wait until you are ready to start, you will be waiting for the rest of your life. Opportunity doesn't wait for the perfect moment, it packs its bags and leaves. The winner isn't the one who is the most prepared, it's the one who can pivot the fastest. Superpower 4. Unshakable emotional discipline. In 2026, opportunities will come fast, but problems will come even faster. If your emotions control you, you will make the wrong decisions at the worst possible time. The edge. When the market drops, the amateur panics and loses everything. The professional stays calm and finds the win. The habit. Don't let one rejection kill your project. Don't let one bad day turn into a bad week. Mental stability is a skill you build, not a gift you were born with. Calm energy is the ultimate competitive advantage. Superpower 5. The bias for action. The world is full of talented dreamers who are paralyzed by planning. Success doesn't go to the person with the best plan, it goes to the person who moves while others are still thinking. The blueprint. Amazon started in a messy garage. Instagram started as a glitchy app. They didn't wait for perfect conditions, they created movement. The truth is action creates motivation, not the other way around. Courage is simply being 5 minutes braver than everyone else. Action beats perfection every single time. When you combine these 5 skills, observing, communicating, adapting, staying calm, and moving fast, you don't just survive the future, you shape it. The future isn't waiting for you, but it will absolutely reward you if you step up now. Stop waiting, start building. If this resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe to join our community of growth. See you at the top.